So now we have arrived at level 6 of our game. Now we're going to work on level 6. So level 6 is a little bit like level 5, but a little bit also different and also advanced. Here's some adjustments I did on level 6. So second round computer move. If computer has more cards than human, then computer focuses on playing same rank, just like in level 5. Computer will check if card is same rank as the top table card. Target is to mark the human so as not to win. So the computer is going to make sure that you as a human, you're not gonna win, okay? Because it's only going to focus on the same rank. Only going to focus on the same rank. It's a little bit like the previous one, but this time it's different. Only going to focus on the same rank. Let's say I'm playing diamonds. At first, I have to check how much most rank do I have. So if I have 10, 10 diamonds, and they're the most. So I'm going to keep on playing diamonds over and over again, unless the card on table is the same as diamonds. So if computer cards are less than human, then computer picks a card from most ranks. So if card are less than human, then it's not going to bother itself trying to make you lose. So the computer has a chance of winning, but if computer has more cards than you, then it's going to have to make sure that you don't win. So here's how I'm going to work on this one. I also created another function which is players left. So I created another function which is players left. So it has to count how many players are left. Then if there's only you and the computer, then it's going to focus on you. So here it checks how many players are left in the game. Here then for computer to know which card to play in order to mark the human. So here it is, count equal to 0. Then if not, player one dot player one dot is empty. Then count equals to 1. If not, player 2 dot is empty. Then then player count equals to 1. If not, player 3 dot is empty. So it took me a while trying to create this function equals to, because I was thinking, well, okay, if we're going to create a game, we also want to create that is has a hard level, you know. If not, player 4 dot is empty. Then count equals to 1. Then return count. So we've checked if player 1 is not empty, then it to count. Player 2 is not empty, it count. Player 3 is not empty, it's count. So count maximum is going to be 4. Now we have our count. Now we're moving on to computer turn 6. So computer turn 6. Now we're going to say computer turn 6 card equals to 0. Then rank equals to 0. If table dot size greater than or equals to players and player 2 dot size is greater than next player dot size. Checking the next player card equals to card push 2 and table player 2 players. This time I kind of worked in a reverse because we also have card position 2, and then we also have other functions that I modified earlier. So I'm going to add them later. Then if player 2 size is greater than or equals to 2 and card equals to 0, then rank equals to most suit table player 2 card equals to card pools and table player 2 rank. So what we're saying here is that if player size is greater than 2 and card is still equals to 0, like past year, then we have to play like a different card here. Yes. So we're saying that we only play if table size is greater than players and player 2 size is greater than next player dot size, then we want to play certain card. But if those conditions don't meet, then we're going to play a card from most suit. And we still remember most suit, we also have it inside on top here, like here, right there. In card position we also created those functions. So we're going to use those two functions inside our computer 6 term. Then if not player 2 dot is empty, then term 6 table player 2 card. That's it. Player 2 dot card. So now we're going to create our term 6. Term 6. Turn 6. Let's see. Right here. No. Let's put it right there. Function term 6, just like the previous one. Define turn 6. So our turn 6 has table player 2 and then card. Now we're going to move computer turn 2 play. So actually, if we look at this way, all we have to do is just copy and paste our turn 6 and turn 5 actually, because they are kind of the same. So now if they are the same, what are we to do? Let's just check if there are any changes that we might need. No, if no table dot is empty, player card, then print player to play for iron range, then input else, else, and then table. So now instead of creating another function that is going to waste us time, let's just do this. Just do this, turn 5, and then we delete this. So we're going to delete that because we're just using the same function that we did before. Now we move on. Also, we also have, then there's another function that I called this one, card position 2. This one, card position 2. This one. So we need to create that one. There's card position 1, and then there's card position 2. So I don't know if I wrote it correctly, but so now we have another function which is card position 2. So we're going to create that function here. So this function will return the card that we have to play smartly for a computer. So here I'm going to say, I don't know how to explain this, but here says return the position of the most played rank card. So this function is called only if computer cards are more than human cards. So this function is only called if computer cards are more than human cards. Let's say there are 2 players left, so they have to like focus on each other, which is mostly easy to play. And also if table cards are more than 10 number of players. Now let's say there are 3 cards on the table and then there are 4 players. So we cannot call this function because the computer will have no idea which card to play, which will be hard. So if there are 2 players, right, and then there's only 1 card on the table, the computer will be confused because that is the condition which I created, because the computer has to play a card that is in position number 1 if there are 2 cards, which means the computer has to play a card which is in position number 1. Yes, which is on under the other card, because you're only focusing on the same card. So you have to check which card did I play last time, so I'm going to play that one. Which card did I play last time, so I'm going to play that one. The same rank, so that I can mark the human. One way or the other is going to play clubs. If he keeps on playing clubs, the human, one way or the other, is going to be left with club, then he's going to play club. So it's a matter of probability, It's a matter of probability. So here, this is how I code it. Found equals to false, 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 not found equals to equal to false, then count equals to 0, then table card one equals to table.card. Then table card equals to table dot card dot card dot card position negative players. So okay, let me explain what I'm doing here. First of all, we need to check two cards. First of all, we have to check the top card, and then we also have to check the card under. Like, let's say there are two players, for example. So, which means we have to check. Which means I have to check the top card, which is position 0 of the our deck. And then we have to check the previous card because there are two players, which means I have to check the card at position 1 because I say players, there are two players, then I say card at position 1, as you can see. So those are the players, those are how I'm going to program it. Table cards, so we have two cards now. So the card which we want to focus on is this one, table card. So while count is not equals to player 2 dot size, player 2 dot size and not found and not found. This is a really long condition. Card equals to your 2 dot card pose card. Card equals to card dot no count. And if card -1 equals to table dot card -1, then if card -1 equals to table dot card table card and here it's table card and there's table card 1 and -1, then not found equals to true else found equals to true. Okay, so that's it, and go outside and say else count doesn't equals to 1. So that is how I created my conditions. So if found, then return count. Else something's not right. Okay. Else return 0. Else return 0. So that's it. We save that, and then just try to run it and see what happens. For now, then let's call off. Oh, sorry, before we do that, I forgot to correct this. Our level 6 function, which we have to fix. Our level 6 function is kind of complicated. It's different from the other functions. So this is how I'm going to program it. While table.size not equals to 52, do the following. Players equals to players left. And we're going to call this function. Then players player 1. Oh, sorry. I'm going to throw in all the players inside. So player 1, player 2. Oh, player 2, player 3, player 4, and then if not, player 1 dot is empty, then human move to table player 1. So this one is a little bit easy. Now, if not, player 2 dot is empty, and player 3 dot is empty, and player 4 dot is empty. So I'm going to explain what I mean by that. Turn 6 table player 2 player 1 players table player 2 player 1 players. So what I was saying is that now it's time for player 2 to play, but in order for it to play, it has to also mark on human. So first player is player 1, which is the human, right? And then followed by player 2, player 3, player 4. So player 2 can only focus on human if 3 and 4 are empty. So if 3 and 4 are empty, then player 2 can focus on human. But if player 3 is not empty, then this is what we want. Else, we don't want computer to focus on another computer, because if it does that, we'll have to spend the whole day to computers fighting each other. If not, player 2 dot is empty, then computer turn 6 table player 2 player, sorry, something's not right here. here. Elif, not, yes. So one of these conditions is going to be met. So okay, we're one then clears. So that's it. So now we have player 2, and then we also need player 3 and 4. Control C is kind of the same. Then paste, then we change some of the features on player 3, player 3, then now we're marking human. Player 3 can only mark human if player 4 is empty. So when player 4 is empty, then computer 6 table player 3 here. Player 3, player 1, and then players. If not, player 3 is empty. On computer 6 table player 3, player 3, and then then next time, now we know player 4 is the only player that plays against human from beginning, so we don't need any conditions. So just go in. Return to 6 table player 4 player 1 players. I think that's it for now. Let's just save that. Now we go on to a function. Now we're going to call else level. Wow. Why is it not showing level 6? Because I didn't call it here. Level 6. Now show me. Oh, there it is. Level 6. Table. Layer 1. Layer 2. Layer 3. Layer 4. Now that's it. Now let's run it. Just hope it won't make any bugs. Level 6. Okay. Oh, something's wrong. Let's see. Let's take 3 arguments, but 4 were given. 4 were given. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Something which means our function is left. Oh, there is player 3. So you see, with functions, it's easy to see what bugs are and you can easily fix them. Otherwise, just play. It will be hard to check all those bugs. So we save, then we go back and then we run it. 6. Now let's check 0. Most rank. Why do I keep using suit? Yeah. Why do I keep on thinking about suit? Suit. It's rank. Okay. Number 6. This is actually the last level. After we finish this, then that means our game is finished. But I was having a hard time finishing this. What now? Turn 5 is not defined. What's going on? Turn 5. But we did have turn 5. Oh, underscore. I didn't put underscore. Come on. Or mistyped my name. Okay. All. What is going on? This thing must be integers also, not non-type. Something's wrong. Now, so if card pose, divine card position, self pose. If self.card, then rep equals to str self.card cards position. Return rep. List indices must be integers or slices, not non-type. Which means something happened when it was called. All this time we didn't have any problems. Right there, we didn't have any problems. So D, Nelson. So we need to make a condition that won't give us that bug. What can we do? What can we do, Nelson? He has to play. Spades. Let's run it again and see if it happens again. It happened, you know. Something must have happened. Okay, is that right? Okay, working. 0. Okay, so which means the one who's targeting me is Sam, and let's see the card he played last time. So we want only two players to be left on the table. So in order for us to test our code, now I have to try and devour all those cards. Or there's a club, I don't even club, they just play 0. There are clubs again, 0. There are spades, 0. I want to devour all those cards until only two players are left. So I want to play until two players are left. 1. Sam. 2. So there's David, Nelson, still has cards. Sam's out, David still in. We devour all of them. Play. So now there's Nelson, David. Let's play. 0. So I'm playing against Nelson. David has 3 cards. Nelson has 4 cards. So 0. Nelson, I want you to devour all those cards. First, I want to devour 0, 1, 2, 3. I devour the cards. Nelson is left with 2 cards. Now I'm going to play hearts. 1. Oh. Damn it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. And they win. So let's start again. We have to play only until 2 players are left. Oh, that bar kind of reminds me. Seems as if we had entered. Didn't play actually. We had entered an enter. If we press enter, it gives us a bug, you know. So we should input card. And our function won't accept any of that. Now let's play. Table's empty. I have 12 cards, Nelson 15, David 14. So let's play gentleman. 0, 0, 0, and I devour all the cards. 1, 0, 0. So here, okay, 0. Okay. 0, 0. Sam David again 0. Now Sam is out, David and Nelson is also in the game. 2, 0, 1, 2. David and Nelson. So I have to mark David. Huh. How am I going to do that? 0. Going to play Diamonds only. 0. I'm going to play diamonds only. There are diamonds on the table. They can play diamonds. 0, 1, 2, 3. Since it happened again and again and again. Normal players have to play again until 2 players are left. I'm having a hard time playing. 6. Okay, I only have 3 cards. I'm going to play 0. So David, let's look at David. So David plays David plays let's see, 3 of spades. First time David played 3 of spades, right? And then let's see second time which card is going to play. David, which card are you going to play? He played a spade again, so he's only focusing on playing one rank card because he's trying to catch me. Oh, sorry, Sam. Sam is the one who's playing against me. So first time Sam. Okay, I looked at the wrong person here. Sam here played. Let's see. He played 3 of diamonds. Played a diamond. And then second time, Sam will also play a diamond. Must also play a diamond. Sam plays a diamond again. So he's trying to make sure that maybe if I'm left with only 1 diamond, I'll devour the cards. But too bad, Sam. I win. So it goes on and on and on. So now we want to try and check. Now it goes on and on. Want to try and check what happens if 2 players are left. So we can see that they are playing the same rank over and over again. Then 6. We want to check and see what happens if 2 players are left. Human and computer. Human and computer. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 0. So Sam, David still has cards. Sam still has some cards. 0, 0, 0. Sam is only left with 1 card. 0. So now I'm left with David. David has 2, 4, 5 cards. Play 0. Okay. Now here's the situation we wanted. David played 10 of diamonds. 10 of diamonds. And then there's a 10 of diamonds on top. So let me choose. I want to play spades over and over again. So I'm going to play 0. David has spades and clubs. Okay, he plays clubs. Let me play a diamond this time. 0, 1, 2. Okay. He doesn't play the diamond. I play the diamond. He doesn't play the diamond. Instead, he plays the spade. Now I'm going to play the diamond again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay. He plays the heart. He plays the heart. 10 of hearts. Now he's only left with diamond. So I'm going to play a diamond again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Play diamond again. Oh, it devoured all. So now the table is empty. I'm going to keep on playing hearts. How many cards? Most cards do I have? Oh, clubs. I'm going to play position 1. I'm going to play clubs. Seems I have a lot of clubs. So he plays a diamond. I play clubs. He also has club. So one way or the other, David, you're going to devour these cards. 1. I'm going to play 1 again. 0, 1, 2. I'm going to play 2. And 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to play 3, 10 clubs, as you can see. Then he played 5 of diamonds. 0, 1, 2, 3. Played again. David, he doesn't want to play there. Let's see which cards do I have. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You won't play the clubs. He won't play the clubs. I'll keep on playing the clubs. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let me change actually and play spades. 0, 1. Does he have spades? Yes, he does have a spade. 0, 1. Okay, 1. He doesn't play the spade. He plays the clubs instead. I gave him 0, 1. Only left with 2 cards. 0, 1, 2. Now it's left with 1 card. 0, 1, 2, 3. And he devours all the cards. Now I want to check. Oh, I still have more cards than he does. So play position 0. 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 No. Position 1. Position 1. Position 1. Keeps on playing. Position 0. Position 0. Position 0. Position 0. Position 0. Position 1. Position 0. So I want to try and make sure that it devolves all the cards. Let's see, hearts, clubs, diamond clubs, hearts. So I'll have to focus clubs, hearts, hearts, hearts. Okay, let me play position 0. So he only has 1 heart left. Oh, did I just devour the cards? Damn it. Oh, I made a blunder. I made a blunder. His clubs. 0. Here's what? Clubs left. 0. Position. Diamonds. 1. Diamonds. 1. Here's hearts. 0. 0. Devours all. Kind of made a blunder last time. Let's play position 1, position 0, position why do I keep on devouring all the cards? Okay, let's start a game because I keep on ah 6. Okay, I have 2 cards in hand. 0. Oh, 0. Okay. 6. Edward. I've changed the cards. 0. More. I have to check. I have to check something. I have most cards, which means I have to mark. Oh, so open clubs. 0, 0, 0. Open clubs 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So David saying table 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay. So I'm playing against David and I want him to play a certain card. Now I'm going to focus on cards that Sam doesn't have. So which are hearts, spade, diamond, and clubs. Clubs. David has clubs. So I'm going to focus on clubs, playing clubs. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. Okay, David only has 2 cards left. Hearts and diamonds. Same as only hearts. David only has diamonds. What's going on here? Something not right here. Something is not right. It's like I'm being cheated. Loophole. Damn it. Maybe there's one card, same as one card. I have to play diamonds here. Oh. 6. Okay, this one will be easy. So let me and David will go left. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, David. Now a few cards. 0, 0. Okay. Now it's time to mark David. I'm going to play. He does have hearts, clubs. I'm going to play hearts. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's focus on down. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got all. I'm playing 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Oh, what happened? 0, 1, 2. There's a diamond on top. 0, 0, 0. David, let's see. Okay. 0. Oh, before I do that, I don't want to make the same mistake I did. There's a diamond on top, so 0. The heart on top, 0. Okay, David mostly has hearts, club, and spades. I'm going to play 0. There's a club on top, 0. I want to make sure that David devours all those cards so that he can mark on me. Diamond, club, 0. I'm going to play table, has a heart on top, 0, queen of diamonds, queen of hearts, 0. Let's see as these cards, clubs, hearts, diamonds, 0. Okay, now here's hearts and diamonds. There's a club on top, hearts and diamonds, so I'm going to play diamonds. Position 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Devours all. Now he's devoured all the cards. So he has more cards than I do. So I'm going to play clubs. 0. He's going to play hearts. I'm going to play clubs again. He's going to play hearts again. I'm going to play spade. 0. Now he's going to play hearts again. I'm going to play spade. He's going to play hearts again. Now I cannot play hearts because he's marking me. Then I'm going to play spade, position 1. He's going to play hearts again. I'm going to play clubs at position 1. He's going to play hearts again. I'm going to play spade at position 1. He's going to play hearts again if he still has hearts. I'm going to play clubs at position 1. He's going to play hearts again. He's trying to mark me. He doesn't want me to win. He's going to play hearts again. Going to play diamond. He's going to play hearts again. I'm going to play spade. He's going to play hearts again. Going to play diamond. He's going to play hearts again. 12 hearts. Now I'm only left with 2 cards. Now to play position 1. Now, ooh, he ran out of hearts. Now I play position 0. Seems David ran out of hearts. Oh, too bad. And I win. So that seems as if our level 6. Actually, David nearly had a chance to mark me, but he ran out of hearts. So that was a loophole for me to win. So that's it for our game. So next time we're going to really look into our game and organize it so that we can play. So see you on